How to promote Clickbank products on Instagram. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to promote Clickbank products on Instagram. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you want to promote Clickbank products, then this video is for you guys, right? But before telling you this, how to promote Clickbank products, I want to tell you that guys, if you're struggling to get traffic to your website or to your funnel, right, and want more leads, clients and sales, then guys, down below I'm putting the link of Traffic Secrets book by Russell Brunson. Just go and read this book. In this book you are going to get, or you can say you are going to get to know 20 plus traffic strategy, so that you can get more traffic to your website or funnel, so that you can get more leads, more sales and more clients for your online business, guys, right? So yes, down below I'm putting the link, so go and check out this book, right? So guys, now without any delay, let I show you how to promote Clickbank products on Instagram. So guys, here very first thing that we need to do, we need to just pick our product that we want to promote on Instagram, right? So guys, here considering this that I'm into affiliate marketing, so considering that I'm going to pick a product that will teach that how to do affiliate marketing. So this is the product, like kind of product that I'm going to promote on Instagram. So as you know, like first we will go to marketplace, and then when you click on that, then there will be option like category. So here I'm going to pick a category. So can you see that e-business and e-marketing? So this is my category that I'm going to pick, right? Or you can say this is my niche where I'm going to pick a product that I'm going to promote, right? So here I will yes. So here I will pick a product based on the gravity, right? If I find any gravity that is more than 20, then yes, I will go and promote that very product. Because like let I show you, like you can see that this product, that is the 12-minute affiliate system. So this product has 213.68 gravity. So yes, it is more than 20. So somewhere it's a good product to promote, because like in past 12 weeks, right, there are 213 affiliates, those who are promoting this very product, and they are making money just by promoting this very product. So it's mean that people are buying this very product and they are promoting, like affiliates, those who are promoting this very product, they are making money by promoting. So yes, it's a clear cut indication to me that yes, this is a good product to promote, and yes, definitely if I promote, yes, I will, chances that I will be making commission or I will be making money too, guys, right? So yes, considering that I'm going to pick that very product that I want to promote, right? So what I will do, just I will click on that promote. So for that, like I'm going to click on that generate hop links. So yes, this is my hop link, or you can say this is my affiliate link, guys. Yes guys, very frankly, I see that somebody who's new, they start promoting this ugly looking and long looking affiliate link, guys. This is not the right way. Right way is that what you need to do, you need to make this link short, and you can do it by using bit.ly, right? So this is the software through which you can make your affiliate link short. So yes, let's can you see that? So you can say I'm logged in into my bit.ly account. It's a free software, guys, right? You don't need to pay anything. So after login into your bit.ly account, go to create, right? So here you need to put your affiliate link, right? And then go and create, right? So now you can see that this is my link, right? Or you can say this one is my link, right? Or what I can do, I can customize this link, right? So can you see that? Add it, and I can customize this link by giving the name of the product that I'm promoting. So it's a 12-minute affiliate system. So yes, let's check if it is available or not. So save your, no, it has been taken. So let's come up with 1 2, and then now let's see. Yes, it has also been taken. So 12-minute affiliate system 1 2 3. Let's see whether it's available or not. Yeah, now it's available. So yes, I'm going to copy that link. So what I will do, my next step is I will go to my Instagram profile, and here what I will do, I will just go and like click on my profile, and I will put the link right here, guys. So you can see edit profile, go to edit profile, and now I'm going to paste my affiliate link here, guys. Paste, and then what I need to do, I need to submit, right? I need to click on that button, submit. So what will happen, guys? Now it will be on my profile. So yes, let I show you. That's it, guys, right? So what will be my next step? Simple, guys. I need to put out a content that is related to the affiliate system, or you can say the product that I am promoting. So I need to create a post on my Instagram, whether it's on my feed or on my story, right? And yes, it can be through video or through written content. And yes, at the end of the, if I'm putting out written content, then yes, at the end of written content I can tell them, hey, yes, first I will talk about the product, that what this product is all about, and what they are going to get, and what are the benefits. And yes, if I use this product personally, then I will also talk about that, how this product helped me. And yes, at the end of the written content I can tell them, yes, if you want to know more about this very product, then link is in my bio, right? So let I show you, as I'm promoting one of the, you can say, traffic secrets book, right? So let's I show you how we do that. So you can see I'm talking about this traffic secrets book. So here, can you see that link is in my bio, right? So that you need to tell people that yes, if they want to get more details, or if they want to buy that very product, then go and check out the link that is in my bio. So yes, you need to tell them, right? So that you can do, guys, right? So this is how you promote your affiliate products, or you can say this is your your Clickbank products on Instagram, guys, right? So yes, if somebody go and click, will go to yep. Yeah. So guys, you can see this is my user ID, right? So yes, guys, right? So now you can see, right? So now that very person is my affiliate offer that I'm promoting. You can see Clickbank. So yes, if that very person decides to buy, right? Let's assume if that very person decides to buy that very product,
in this quick video,
and
I'm going to share with you
guys,
a
what will
really
happen?
easy way of
Simply,
making money
I
online
will be
that
making
you can
commission, guys. That's it, guys, right? So guys, I hope so you know that now you know that how you promote your Clickbank products on Instagram, guys. What is the right way to promote your Clickbank products on Instagram, right? So that you can do, guys, right? So you can see, guys, it's in my Indian currency, right? So yes, there will be yes, can you see that now, Pankaja. So this is my username. So it's a clear cut indication to me that yes, if someone buys, then yes, I will be making commission, because there is I can say user ID or affiliate ID, that is Pankaja. Now it is showing me, right? So yes, if you want to check out, then yes, down below you can go and check out. Yes, it is showing Pankaja. So it's my Clickbank affiliate ID or Clickbank user name. So yes, this is a right page, right, to where I can send people to promote my affiliate offer, that is 12-minute affiliate system, right? By the way, if you want to check out this product, then down below I'm putting the link so that you can check out this product, that is the 12-minute affiliate system, right? So yes, guys, I hope so you found value in this video, right? Now you know exactly how to promote Clickbank products on Instagram in a right way, guys, right? By the way, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And yes, if there is anything that I can help in your business, please do let me know in the comment, right? And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Down below there is a red button, just go hit that button, right? And yes, there is also bell button. So yes, also click on that bell button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming trainings that are related to affiliate marketing. So yes, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button. Right guys, so yes, again guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.